And just like that, baby, we're back. Team Huff Customs. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and like. Just finished up a 6 sled wrap here, and I wanted to show it to you guys, especially on video, because it's got a little bit of chrome in it, so I wanted you to get the full effect. That chrome is shimmering pretty good. This guy's name is Matt Dyer. Put his last name on the front of it. But looking pretty good. She was a HCR Pro Climb 8000, stock graphics, just green and white. I print, design, and install all in-house. If you order a kit offline, I do a lot of those too. People order kits offline, and I'll install them for like 150 bucks. But some people don't realize that I also can do everything right from start to finish in-house. So a lot of times when pictures are online, they think I just ordered it offline and installed it, but I definitely am proud of the ones that are right from start to finish, because there's a lot of work involved. Seriously, I've probably got 10, 12 hours invested into this. You can see more sled wraps at the upcoming Northeast Motorsports show. Want to give a shout out to that. It's going to be January 7th, 8th, 9th at the Augusta Civic Center in Maine. Those primarily are going to be ice oval sleds for Unity Pond Ice Ovals. Also, check them out on Facebook, Unity Pond Ice Ovals. That racing season is coming up soon. We got 3 races on the schedule, including one night race. We got race cars and snowmobiles. Going to be at the Augusta Civic Center January 7th, 8th, 9th. Definitely getting excited for it. Got a ton of sled wraps coming up. They are definitely gaining in popularity around here. Got the Shelby and the Cuda sitting nice and tight under the carport for the winter. And over the fall, we hit up Batten Motorsports Dyno Day. We helped him out with that. Got the Shelby Series 1 on the wheel dyno. Feel free to comment what you think she was making for power. I was pleasantly disappointed, to say the least.
More moments later.
And now, back to the show. But yeah, you just saw the Pro Climb. That's all finished. I got this couple of skidoos, both of them for the same customer, coming up. So those are going to get some full wraps. And I did this one in that same chrome. Man, I can't get enough of that holographic chrome. Love it. Just shines in a different color at every angle. But anyways, certainly busy here. And we're back, and it's the next day, and it's really crappy out, but I finished that sled, the skidoo that was in the garage. I wanted to show it to you guys. Unfortunately, won't be able to put it outside in the nice sunlight like that Arctic Cat yesterday, but check it out. We'll get some good shots of it here in the garage. This thing was all black, not a speck of red was on it before, so a lot of red wrapping. Can't wait to get it outside, and I'm gonna be carrying on with this. We're just going to put a little bit of that same red on this one. See how the spindle is that lava red and they've got the red X, but like there's not any more on it. They got the handlebars, and that's it. They wanted a little bit more just to tie it in. The little pieces on there kind of look out of place. So, anyways, something I forgot to mention earlier, that I'll be at the Augusta Motorsports show representing Wiscassett Speedway as well. I'm totally looking forward to representing Wiscassett and working there this year, working alongside the great Ken Minot up in the broadcasting booth, announcing each and every week at such a great facility. Richard and Vanessa Jordan have done such a fine job. Can't wait to hang out with the gang, some of the race car drivers, and see everybody at the Augusta Motorsports show, January 7th, 8th, 9th. Don't forget it. And I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you for supporting Team Huff Customs. We're well over 2,000 likes now, milestone that I wanted to reach. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. My new issue of Speedway Illustrated just came in. It's almost like Christmas once a month when it comes in the mail and you get a new issue each month. It's almost like Christmas Day to me every time I get it in the mailbox. At the New Hampshire Motor Speedway Race Car Museum, I had the pleasure of meeting the founder of this magazine, Dick Berggren. This magazine used to be called Dick Berggren Speedway Illustrated, and he sold it to the employees, and now it's employee owned. And Dick Berggren has a major role in the day-to-day activities at the New Hampshire Motor Speedway Race Car Museum, and I attended an event there over the summer and got to meet him, and that was pretty cool. Never met him before. Already read one of the articles, and this one by Jason Beck called Stealing the Thunder is pretty funny. You guys definitely want to read that. Puts in a lot of Days of Thunder quotes and clips incorporated into the nowadays, because Days of Thunder is like 30 years old. Can you believe it, people? In that article, he references it to how Harry Hogg would have to adapt to the times to nowadays if they were still in NASCAR. So quite a funny read.
I'm going to give you a fuel line that will hold an extra gallon of gas. I'm going to shave half an inch off you and shape you like a bullet.
And I was also super stoked to see an article on Colby Benjamin in this month's issue of Speedway Illustrated, as he supports the Travis Mills Foundation, and he was standing there next to the helmet that we wrapped for him. Super cool to see that in the magazine. Make sure to pick up your subscription of Speedway Illustrated. Once again, only $20 a year for 12 issues. Can't beat it. Speedway Illustrated is a great supporter of local stock car racing. Thanks for tuning in to Team Huff Customs. Hit me up for a sled wrap or for your race car coming up this racing season. We'll see you next time. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.
The Northeast Motorsports Expo is back, baby. We took the year off last year due to COVID, but we are back in 2022 this Friday, Saturday, Sunday at the Augusta Civic Center. Don't miss it.